E-cleaning duct and vent cleaning is here to help Warrington residents enjoy healthier, cleaner homes. Dust, dirt, and allergens accumulate in your air ducts over time, reducing your home's air quality and HVAC efficiency. Our air duct cleaning service ensures your system runs smoothly and your air stays fresh. Dryer vent cleaning is just as essential. A clogged dryer vent can become a fire hazard and make your dryer less efficient. Our expert cleaning services clear lint and debris, improving safety and extending the life of your appliances. We're fully licensed and insured, providing reliable service to Warrington with transparent pricing and exceptional results. Schedule your air duct or dryer vent cleaning today through our website and enjoy a cleaner, safer home.